sisters, I'm finally going to paint this makeup today, because I'm gluttonous in winter. Then there are some small herpes in the mouth. If you are better today, please draw quickly. This makeup is really New Year. And then again. Use a cotton sheet first. Clean this face a little. Spray a little of this moisturizing spray. The moon is for him to absorb. Moisturizing power will be better. Give another moisturizing. But I won't say to heavy cream. Or before makeup is okay. Partial, adjust the color like this. The current state of the face is very much needed, with a green. Cover the red spot for it. This bottle is used for base makeup. It will moisturize the whole. Apply thinly once. Then I use this one. Then put on cream and a little makeup. The feeling of pink carving and red carving. The end of the eye starts to leak. This is me going below the nose. If the mango is more atmospheric equipment, my blush won't be too heavy. What matters is this. In other words, use a fresher bead. Ching on here. The area under our brows is empty. End of eye here, septum on forehead here. You can all try it. Face. Let's fix it. You can use anti-theft when testing. What about the gills? So we can watch it after combing. 1000 out, point out I can't sell it. This way, fans will take pictures of him more naturally. Like this face, it can be sweet if it is shiny. A little bit down the throat here. T-shirt. In that case, you can determine the symptoms of beauty kung fu. I put it back for him before. The forehead and then the eyebrows do not match. I think this color number is a little whiter than the previous one. I still like winning the bidding platinum decoration. Here you are. Let's take a look at this nail. There's a mystery here. Have a small powder. And then there's a rich little puff. This makeup is very cute. Before the thrush, let's wipe this eyebrow pencil. A lot of calligraphy and painting is the feeling of rubbing on line. Let's draw a cat roughly. Five or growth squads along the eyebrows. Probably finished. This calculation deepens our eyelash line. The middle part of the eyebrow. 567. Deepen like this. I just use a water eyebrow pencil to draw. Out of that small. Straggy feeling. It looks a little heavy now. But when it is matched with eye makeup, it will be very harmonious. Then the eyeshadow is still this 308. I really like this all matte plate. Looks comfortable. Still using this. And the drawing is very simple. Paint the eyelids with a large area. The part that drives our lower eye. Use this color. Directly add the folds of our double eyelids. Still use this glue pen. Just this one you asked a lot. He was originally a fuchsia. Not that red. Please be rational crowdfunding. Take a look at the makeup. My glue pen is really gone, change it. Also black. If you nod, I will also open it. It's the model of your husband out of the corner of your original eye. Sample. There are persimmons outside. This is the one you use more eyelashes. I use dough gel and the whole thing is very convenient. Found you using this false eyelash. It seems that you can do without inner eyeliner, because it's a black terrier. There will be a self-contained inner eyeliner effect. Then use eyeshadow to draw eyeliner. I was supposed to spell it in this. But this one. In fact, I found that I don't use much other than this. Just got it out. Well, I look at this place a little bit above. Drenched and dragged out, just the end of your eyes. It is parallel to this eyelash covering face. This one on detox. That black eyeliner. The wiring of his body makes him small. The brush with the small eyes accounts for the darkest color. Smudge our inner eyeliner. Make him look thicker. Let him paint. Then use a brush to apply this fish meal. Add this lower mole. Wrap it up. A little and the feeling of the upper eyeliner being connected together. Squat on this plate. One click on our edge you sow. Let's trace Walter's shadow. With a mascara. Make it feel a little more present. I also have the longest eyelashes now. Give it 100 million, 10.20 million. It's not over yet. You choose these two colors again. Change it and stretch the piece above the eyeliner. My vision makes our eyes see bigger. Don't miss the second half. So the block deepens diagonally. Cover up. Use this piece back to brighten up. Take a look. My eye makeup is almost done. I have this foundation now. Measure your face because I'm that fat. Then trim. Here, I also focus on blessing the contract. I use this back. Hey, I can't help it. Practice a dog with this plate white dog. This mole. Well, I can't get old. I also use this lip liner first. Make it softer. Use this one. If this is the real world, it must need thick coating. Because when I shoot the show, it is also repainted. This one. I applied it very thickly, and this makeup looks beautiful.